Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle videos. So let's talk about who is the dum-dum of the day. It is me. So here I am editing this video, and guess what? Turns out I didn't do an intro, I didn't do an outro. Like, I know I took a month off, but let's pretend like we know what's going on, shall we? So, moral of the story, this is Brooke from the future editing, as you can see in the background. If you guys haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I guess we should just get into it. Mattress shopping. But I think we found the one. We're getting new pillows too.
They didn't have my pillow.
Yeah, they
She
did.
did an evil laugh.
They had my pillow though.
No problems.
We're the proud new owners of a new mattress from Mattress Firm. How do you feel about it?
I'm excited.
You're excited?
And my chiropractor is going to be even more excited.
So excited. It's super soft, super comfortable, and then they threw in a free pillow for each of us, which was really cool.
Yeah.
I guess I don't it's mouse in here.
Mission accomplished, too.
Yes.
I mean, we did that really quick. It was like maybe less than an hour.
I mean, honestly, I think that was less than half an hour. And then our bed frame is not doing so hot. Basically, we've moved with it twice, so it's been in 3 houses, so it's been assembled and unassembled multiple times. Every time we've moved, we've lost multiple screws, we've lost multiple of those little like stabilization little pole things that go under the middle. So basically the bed it's squeak central, and like you sit on it and it's like swaying. It's been getting worse and worse over time, and then the pups run in full speed, jump on it, and it's been putting a whole lot more wear and tear on it. So basically we think it's gonna collapse any day, and we've been feeling that way for like a year. So we are finally going to be getting a new bed frame as well. So now we are pulling up to Scandinavian Designs. That's where we had gotten most of our office furniture, so we know that they're really good. And then in this complex is also American Furniture Galleries. So we have a few options, and oh, I think that's Destiny. I think that might be a furniture store too.
Yeah,
so
there's
yeah,
a couple over here.
so basically now we're just gonna go try to pick out a new bed frame, and our new mattress will be delivered tomorrow. So super excited. We're just redoing our life right now. It's gonna be great. Okay, we keep checking everything and nothing is our style. We've checked some of the couches for like when we moved to see if we would want to get things from here, but all the couches are super firm. So I think some of the decor pieces are really nice, but it's not for us. Let's go up to the next door. All right, we've officially quit over there, and so now we're just gonna walk across the parking lot to American Furniture Galleries, and hopefully they have something better. So also an update on our house situation. I still am not going to show you guys anything of what the house looks like because we can't risk someone else buying it. But it is now off the market. It's no longer on any like Zillow, Realtor, anything like that. So we're thinking that they still want to sell it, hopefully, but I don't know. I guess we just have to wait for it to go back up, but we're still planning on buying it. So we'll see how that goes. Do you still have hope?
Oh yeah.
I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me.
We're looking for a Cal King. Yeah.
Right here.
Do all of the beds come in Cal King? Okay. So already I can tell they have a lot more variety, but these are like very style specific. I don't know that they really go with our style. I mean, this one's nice, but he's a hater because I keep sitting on all the couches. Oh, there's a lot of like really intense bed frames around here.
A lot of what?
Really intense bed frames around here. Where is it? There's a giant one that looks like a big old seashell over there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Let's see. Right there. I think this is the one I like more. All right, we just bought that bed frame, the last one I showed you, and they only have one in stock, so we are on our way to go pick it up at the warehouse. We were just talking about how this is the most decisive we've ever been with shopping. Usually it takes weeks for us to pick anything out, and now within like 3 hours we picked out a mattress and a bed. Yeah, we're really...
With no online research either.
Yeah, so we're really impressed with ourselves. So tomorrow we'll have it a completely new bed. So the mattress is getting delivered between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. tomorrow. Tonight we're getting a call and they're gonna give us like a 2-hour time window. So for now we just know it's tomorrow. And then yeah, we're on our way to pick up the bed frame. So I think we're gonna assemble the bed frame tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna assemble the bed frame tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna have a whole new sleeping situation. I can't wait. And then with the new bed, I think I told you guys, or with the new mattress, they threw in a free pillow for each of us, a Tempur-Pedic pillow. So really excited about that. We're just really elevating our life right now, and I just couldn't be happier. Well, we just picked it up. Our seats are as forward as they can possibly go. Darren barely fits to drive. But we got it all in, so we're gonna head home. And I think we're gonna assemble everything tomorrow because we got the call and the delivery isn't until the afternoon for the mattress tomorrow. So I think we're just gonna sleep in our old bed and mattress tonight, and then tomorrow we'll build the bed and be ready for the old stuff to be taken away. So yeah, heading home. Look how pretty these roses are. This one has seen better days. Darren got them for me last week, but they're opening up so pretty and I love them. Also, this hallway is part of why our bed is in such bad condition, because the pups, they come running through here, down the hallway, gaining momentum, and then flinging themselves on and like rocking the bed. Like the bed doesn't really squeak this way. It's mostly like towards the window, like horizontally, because that's how you guys run and jump. And each of these puppies are almost 70 pounds. And when they jump together, it's like almost 140 pounds at their speed, messing up the bed. So we're gonna have to find a way to, maybe we're gonna have to close the doors when we have the new bed so that they can't mess it up. Huh, guys? You are so sweet. It's not your guys' fault, you're just trying to have fun. But you're ruining our bed. It is 9:30 a.m. I just picked us up some donuts. So I got myself 2 chocolate bars, one for today, one for tomorrow. And then Darren, I got a bear claw and an apple fritter. And now I'm at Starbucks going to pick us up some coffee before we have a busy morning. We're gonna take the pups to the pup park, and then we are going to be setting up our bed and getting our new mattress and bed frame. We got a matcha green tea for Darren, and I got a vanilla cream cold brew, but it looks more like a vanilla latte, which is my other go-to drink, so even if they made the wrong one, not even mad. We're gonna have a great Sunday, guys. Getting the kids out and about. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to be at the dog park. Off we go. We've got all the old stuff right here, our old mattress, box springs, bed, mattress topper, and then all the boxes for the new bed frame. So updates on our building event. They forgot to include our first set of hardware, so we can't even assemble it. We only have the materials from the second bag. So now we have to wait, and in 2 days, they're going to send someone out with the hardware, and they're going to build it for us for free to make it up to us. But yeah, that is our current situation. We are at a standstill. But about 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes ago, our mattress arrived. So I will show you guys that. Here is our lovely mattress. Or no, over there is the lovely mattress. These are our box springs. Oh my gosh, look how big it is. Hey, can't even touch the top. These things are huge, but yeah, it's, oh, it's so soft. I'm so excited. And then they brought our pillows as well, so that's good. But now we are sleeping in the guest bedroom for the next 2 nights, and this will be put on hold. Yay! All right, we moved everything to the side, and our overhead light has been out since, I don't know, end of October, beginning of November. And we thought that there was just one light bulb in there and it just sucked. Turns out the other 2 were out. Finally, the 3rd one went out. And they're these tiny little bulbs. And then we removed it, and it turns out that these bulbs are only 25 watts, and it says on that little thing that you screw the bulb into that it can take 40 watts. So we were working with 1/3 of the light bulbs and only like essentially half of the strength. So all this time we thought that there was such poor overhead lighting in here. It turns out that maybe there was actually decent lighting. All done? Let's see. Let there be light. Wow, that is more light than this room has seen in the past 2 years. All we had to do was change some light bulbs. The puppies are fairly unsure how they feel about the mattress. They've been checking things out slowly. Hunter prefers to keep his distance from it because it's significantly larger than him and it makes him nervous. Oh my gosh, it is Tuesday, about 11:45. The people from American Furniture Gallery got here less than 30 minutes ago, are already done, built this thing in like 20 minutes flat, and brought in the mattress and box springs from the hallway for me, which was so sweet of them. I didn't think they were gonna do that. Looks a little funny with the footboard basically ending pretty much where the mattress does, or where the mattress starts. But overall, I'm pretty excited. I think it looks really good. Oh, there we are. Hello. So I got my mask from when they came. Oh my gosh, let me just tell you the level of luxury. Woo! Okay, super excited. Got to get back to work, but wanted to update you guys. So I was editing this video and I realized that I never even showed you guys the final product. Yes, we have 2 fans in here because we just sleep really hot. But this is what it looks like. It actually feels like it opens up the room so much more, not having a footboard. So actually super loving this, and we just ordered a new duvet last night. So how this one only goes to where it goes to, we found a Colossal Cal King duvet cover, which apparently means, here, actually, let me just show you. Okay, so basically last night Darren found online, it's called a Colossal King. And that's the size, instead of like, you know, there's like Queen, King, Cal King. Apparently Colossal King is what gives you that like staged bed look. You know how like in magazines and things like that, whenever they show a bed, the like duvet is all big and fluffy and it goes all the way to the ground. It just looks so luxurious and cozy. And then when you actually order any sort of duvet, it's not. It like barely goes to the end of the mattress, and that's lame. If you have a smaller bed, then you can always just order one size up, but when you have a Cal King, what are you supposed to do? So it turns out there is a bigger size, not for the bed, but a bigger size for like a duvet called Colossal King, and it gives you that big like oversized vibe. So we just placed our order with, I think it's called like the company store or something like that, something super vague, but apparently they have really good quality ones, great reviews. So we ordered it and it should be in soon. So in one of my next vlogs, I will show you guys, but Darren placed the order, so he has all the shipping and such, so I don't know when it comes in, but when it does, I'm so excited to show you guys. So that's gonna be really exciting, so look out for that. And then if we do actually like the feel of it and everything, then I will link it in that video, and so if you guys want to get one yourselves, you can. Also, overhead light. Yes, this is the brightest and lightest this room has ever been. Apparently, this is what it's like to actually have light at night. What a concept. We haven't known it, that's for sure. Also, I want to say, I know I've been cheating you guys with this vlog. I basically did everything on my phone, so it's not as good of quality as this new camera that I just got for Christmas. I'm finally able to hook up my my better microphone and everything to this camera, the one that I had bought before and I told you guys I was excited about, and then turns out it couldn't connect to the camera I had. This one, it does. So I've already attached the little rig to my camera. Here, actually I'll show you guys in the mirror right here. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see it, but it says like small rig right here. And I wish I could show you the bottom, but basically it has little this side has little connections right here for me to like slide in like microphone equipment, and also has it down here. At the bottom, it has multiple places for me to like screw in my different like tripods and stuff like that. So it's going to be awesome, and it's black, pretty sleek, blends in pretty well. It's just this piece right down here. So yeah, now with that, and then the fact that this camera actually has a mic, yeah, it has a mic outlet on this side, which the other one didn't, so I couldn't attach any audio. So now with this little slide-in piece and the audio jack. So moral of the story, better video quality coming at you moving forward. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it. And I'm sorry that I was gone for a period of time. I needed a break. Also, I transitioned jobs. I will tell you guys about that in another video, catching you up on all of the ways that my life is or maybe changing. So thank you guys again so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks guys, I'll see you in my next one.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for